Welcome. We are visiting Vedic mathematics, science, and technology scriptures. The first scripture is being taken by us for our enlightenment. It is Surya Upanishad. Surya Upanishad is Atharva Ved Upanishad. It is of Atharva Angiras stream. This scripture is in a prose form. It is a composition of 8 paragraphs. Each paragraph is consisting of different sentences. There are in all 74 sentences. Today, we are focusing upon paragraph 7. This paragraph reads as Om iti ek akshar brahm घृणी iti द्वय अक्षरे सूर्य इति अक्षरम द्वयम आदित्य इति त्रीणि अक्षराणि इत्यस्य सूर्यस्य अष्ट अक्षरो मनु. This is Surya Mantra. This Surya Mantra is having 4 distinct components. The first component is Om, the second component is Grini, the third component is Surya, and fourth component is Aditya. Therefore, this mantra is of quadruple steps, quadruple phases, quadruple components. This quadruple components setup is as such centered around quadruple formulations. First formulation is Om, second formulation is Grini, third formulation is Surya, and fourth formulation is Aditya. Let us visit these quadruple formulations in terms of its different folds of TCV values. The formulation Om is of TC value 16. Formulation Grini is of TC value 17. Formulation Surya is of TC value 13, while formulation Aditya is of TC value 16. These TCV values, as we know, are having 10 inner folds. Here in the table on the computer screen are tabulated all 10 folds of each of these quadruple formulations. Column 1 is TC value folds. Column 2 is about formulation Om. Column 3 is about formulation Grini. Column 4 is about formulation Surya. Column 5 is about formulation Aditya. And the 6th column, the last column, is the summation value of the folds values of all the 4 formulations. Let us first visit first row. It is the first fold, it is the word fold. So Om, Grini, Surya, Aditya, all are word formulations. These are integrated word formulations. as word formulations, each of these get associated value 1. So first fold of Om is of value 1. For Grini as well is 1. For Surya and Aditya as well is 1 each. Therefore, the summation value of this first fold of these quadruple formulations gives value 4. The second row is about the syllables. The formulation Om, formulation Grini, formulation Surya, formulation Aditya as such are having 1, 2, 2 and 3 syllables each. These make a total setup of 8 syllables. See, the first row is about word formulations and it leads to value 4. Second is syllables setups and these make summation value 8. The third row is of the letters of these compositions. Formulation O is of 2 letters setup. Formulation Grini is a 4-letter setup. Formulation Surya is a 5-letter setup, while formulation Aditya is a 6-letter setup. This makes total summation value of all the letters of all these quadruple formulations as 17. The fourth row is about the TC values of these formulations. O is of TC value 16, Grini is of TC value 17, Surya is of TC value 13, and Aditya is of TC value 16, making total TC value of all the 4 formulations as 62. Now we are at the fifth row. Fifth row is about the transcendence value. The transcendence value for Om is 114, for Grini is 0, for Surya is 6, and for Aditya is 20, making a total value 140. Let us have a pause. Let us visit this reach. Om as 7th vowel will lead to the value 7 multiplied by 5 plus 3, and Ma will contribute value 9, and so total value will be 114. Grini, because of the 4th vowel and 2nd vowel, will lead to value 0. Surya, because of elongated 3rd vowel and 1st vowel, gives us the value 6. And Aditya, because of the elongated 1st vowel, 2nd vowel, and the 1st vowel, gives the value 20. It's going to be a very blissful exercise to reach at these TT values for these quadruple formulations. We know this transcendence happens within the dimensional frames, and the sequence of transcendence is from domain to dimension of dimension, and then end reach value is the product of these 3-phased flow. In fact, this is parallel with the enlightenment of Rishi, formulation Rishi 642. Rishi sees through, can peep into, can have an insight, can glimpse what is happening at the origin without entering the domain. It is this Vilokanam state which is the appropriate potentialities state of a mind of the sadhakas. Now, the 6th row is formulations, frequencies, ucharan, utterances, pronunciation, values. And we know that each letter as Kara has value 20. So, but for Raf, which has value 12, we can have very easy computation of this as Om as a composition of two letters will have value 40 plus the TC value. Grini will have 4 multiplied by 20 plus TC value 17. Surya will have 4 multiplied by 20 plus 12 for the Raf, and this together with TC value 13 will give us value 105. Aditya has 6 letters, so 6 into 20 plus TC value 16 will make value 136. So the summation value of the sixth row as FF values of these quadruple formulations leads us to summation value 394. Now we are at the seventh row. It is the formulations. So the formulations parallel with the TC values of the individual letters of these formulations when are reached at for the TC values of the formulations of the letters. So we have value, then we reach at formulation, then again we reach at TC value. Is this paired steps? Firstly, we are with the letter. It gives us a TC value. Parallel to TC value, we reach at the formulation, and then for that formulations letters, we again reach at TC value. It's called squared squares. 2 gives square value 4, and it has squared again, gives us value 16. So 16 is the squared value of the square of 2, means the fourth power. This is necessitated because of these creations, these manifestations are within creators of space, which is a fourth space having 4 dimensions and as such the fourth power. So these powers take us two values 31, 52, 50 and 70, making a total value 203. The eighth row is about the hyper cubes, hypergeometric formats for the TC values. TC value of each letter will have a parallel hypercube format, and then each hypercube being of quadruple folds, then the summation value will make H. So it is the summation value 60, 68, 44 and 52 for these quadruple formulations, which leads us to value 224. The ninth row is the transcendence range value of the order of the TC value, and it is here where the value reaches 56, 125, 150 and 140. Lastly, as 10th row, we are having synthesis of pair of transcendence ranges of the same order parallel with the TC value, and it gives us value 128, 267, 243 and 296, making total value 934, and the grand total value comes to be 2422. C22 is parallel with the summation value of hypercube 6. 24 is parallel with the TC value of Purusha. Therefore, this reach of this mantra in terms of 10 folds for all the quadruple components of this formulation of Surya mantra as Om, Grini, Surya, Aditya as of value 2422 as paired pairs 2422 as dimension and domain and further being of the format of hypercube 6 and Purusha. It is the manifestation of Purusha, human frame, which is the reach. Sit comfortably. Permit the transcending mind to be parallel with this reach of the Surya mantra. This reach of the Surya mantra as such is the attainment. It is the attainment of the Vedic system. It is the attainment of the Vedic mathematics. It is the attainment and reach of Vedic mathematics, science and technology. Modern mind, which is working with different axioms and postulates and which is conceiving different setup, different format of our existence phenomenon, is not going parallel with this comprehension and reach of Vedic systems. Sadhakas fulfilled with the intensity of urge to be parallel with Vedic systems shall approach Vedic systems the Vedic way. The Vedic way to approach Vedic systems is that the word formulations are mathematical formulations. These mathematical formulations are of manifested creations within creators of space, that is within a fourth space. The manifestations within creators of space are of four folds, and these four folds make the word formulations. Word formulations being the composition of the letters alphabet take us to at the second inner fold at numbers alphabet. From numbers alphabet we reach at the geometric alphabet. From geometric alphabet we reach at the creator space sthapatya, and then we have a transcendence flow. These steps deserve to be chased in the sequence in which these have been depicted in the tabulation on the computer screen. See the comprehension of the Vedic mind is that the existence phenomenon of our solar universe may be within human frame or outside the human frame is of the format of hypercube 6, which has fourfold manifestation layer of summation value 22 as dimension takes us to 24 as a domain. Value 24 is parallel with the TC value of formulation Purusha. Further, value 24 is also parallel with the value of 6 creative dimensions of a 6 space, 6 multiplied by 4. As such, the existence phenomenon as it is within human frame or as it is within human frame, the same runs parallel. It is this parallel manifestation features which lead to the enlightenment that as is happening within the body, so is happening outside the body, within a Brahman. As in Pinda, so in Brahmanda. As in Brahmanda, so in Pinda. Let us sit comfortably. Let us revisit these features. Let us imbibe these features. Let us have enlightenment parallel with these values of the Surya Mantra of Surya Upanishad as specified in its paragraph 7 as O Grini Surya Aditya. With this visit, one shall begin visit to the text of Surya Upanishad afresh. From this stage, we will be continuing our initiation in terms of the visit text of the Surya Upanishad. Thank you very much.